We'll try to take the last problem in this radius of curvature in polar form, which is very important as per the exam point of view. Okay, this is a problem which you have to go through. You cannot omit this problem. Okay, so to start, there are two sub questions in that. The first sub question is, show that for the curve r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta, rho square by r is a constant. I have to show. This is the sub question 1. Second sub question is, if rho 1 and rho 2 be the radii of curvature at the extremities of the polar chord of the cardioid, show that rho 1 square plus rho 2 square is equals to 16a square by 9. I will later explain this, what do I mean with this all notations and all. First we will go with the sub question 1. Okay. Now here r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta is representing the equation of the cardioid. What it is representing? It is equation of the cardioid. Okay. So with the help of this curve, we are going to show that rho square by r is a constant. Rho means comes radius, right? So we have to find r1 and r2 because the given curve is a polar curve. So we'll start with the sub question 1. What is that? Consider r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. Taking log on both sides. So log r is equals to log a into 1 plus cos theta. That is log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta. Differentiating both sides with respect to theta. So 1 by r into dr by d theta is equals to log a derivative is 0. 1 upon 1 plus cos theta as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. 0 plus or minus sin theta is minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. That is 1 by r into r1. dr by d theta, we are going to write it as r1. 1 by r dr by d theta is not cot phi now here. We are going to find r1. So substitute dr by d theta as r1, keeping 1 by r as it is. Okay. Minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So 1 by r as it is, r1 as it is, minus sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 will get cancelled, cos theta by 2 will get cancelled, that will remain with tan theta by 2. So 1 by r into r1 is equals to minus tan theta by 2. Shifting this r this side, you will get r1 is equals to minus r into tan theta by 2, equation number 3. So now I have to differentiate both sides with respect to theta to get r2. So r1's derivative is r2, minus sin is there, so keep it as it is. R as it is, derivative of tan theta by 2 is what? Sec square theta by 2 into 1 by 2. Why? Theta is having the coefficient 1 by 2, so into 1 by 2. Okay? Plus tan theta by 2 as it is, derivative of r is r1. So minus r by 2, okay, r into 1 is r upon 2, sec square theta by 2 as it is. R1 is minus r into tan theta by 2. So this becomes minus into plus is minus r by 2 sec square theta by 2. Plus into minus is minus, minus into minus it is plus r tan square theta by 2. Have you got r2 now? Yes. Now consider the radius of curvature in polar form. What it is given by? It is rho is equals to r square plus r1 square raised to 3 by 2 upon what? R square plus 2r1 square minus r2. Substitute r square as it is. What is r1? Minus r tan theta by 2 the whole square raised to 3 by 2. So r square plus 2 into minus r into tan theta by 2 the whole square minus r into minus r by 2 sec square theta by 2 plus r tan square theta by 2. R square as it is, minus the square plus r square tan square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2. R square minus square will become plus r square tan square theta by 2. Minus into minus it is plus r square upon 2 into sec square theta by 2. Minus into plus is minus r square tan square theta by 2. Taking r square common, raised to 3 by 2. Remains here 1 plus tan square theta by 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2r square tan square theta by 2 minus r square tan square theta by 2 will become r square tan square theta by 2 plus r square by 2 sec square theta by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. We are remain with r cube. 1 plus tan square is sec square raised to 3 by 2. Taking r square common, I will remain inside with 1 plus tan square theta by 2, which will give you sec square theta by 2. Plus r square upon 2 sec square theta by 2. You can omit some of the steps directly, okay, once you get familiar. But before you get familiar, don't go to skip any of the steps, okay. That goes out to be r cube sec cube theta by 2 upon r square sec square theta by 2. I have taken here common, okay. This square and this will get cancelled. It will become sec cube theta by 2. Here r square, when I took common, it remained with sec square theta by 2. Taking r square sec square theta by 2 common, I will remain with 1 plus 1 by 2. That is r cube sec cube theta by 2 upon r square sec square theta by 2 into 3 by 2. Because 1 plus 1 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. Hence, 2 of the r squares, 2 of the sec theta by 2 will get cancelled. So, r sec theta by 2 upon 3 by 2. Shifting this to this side. So, 2 upon 3 r into sec theta by 2 is your radius of curvature. Okay. What they have asked the question? We have to show that here radius of curvature, okay, is constant. Rho square by r is a constant I have to show. So, means I want what? Rho square. So, to get, first I have to eliminate what? Theta by sec theta by 2. So, consider the polar curve given r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. So, what is cosec square theta, cos square theta by 2 here? It will be r upon 2a. So, cos theta by 2 will be what? Root of r by 2a. I want what? To eliminate sec theta by 2. So, take its reciprocal, substitute. Root, here root r can be written as root r into root r. Root 2a upon root r. So, root r will get cancelled. I am remained with rho is equals to 2 by 3 root 2a into root r. I have to get rho square. So, squaring on both sides. So, 4 by 9 2a into r, that is 8a upon 9 into r. So, shifting this r this side, rho square by r is equals to what? A by 8a by 9. What does this mean? Isn't it constant? Hence, rho square by r is a constant. Hence, proved with the sub question 1. Okay. Now, we will go to the sub question 2. Now, they are saying that, okay, here the sub question 2 was, here, if rho 1 and rho 2 be the two radii of curvature at the extremities of the polar chord of the cardioid, show that rho 1 square plus rho 2 square is equals to 16a square by 9. Okay, so I have to separately find rho 1 and square and I have to find rho 2 square. Now, to start, what is the shape of the cardioid? Cardioid is a heart shape, or we can say it is a leaf shape. Okay, so cardioid r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. The figure is like this. Okay, what is a chord? What is a chord? Chord is the line joining the 2 points on the curve. Okay, so I have taken a point P and a point P dash on this curve. Okay, cardioid. When I join this is becoming a chord. From this O to P, okay, I am taking rho 1 as a radius. Okay, radius OPB equals to rho 1. Making an angle of what? Theta with the initial axis. This is known as the initial axis. Okay. Similarly, from O to P dash, I am considering rho 2 as the radius. So, radius mean plural form. Okay, rho 1 and rho 2 are two radius. It is a plural form of radius. How much is the angle made by this P dash with the initial axis? With this initial axis, how much it will make? From this point to this point, how much it will be? 180, right? 180, and this extra, how much? Theta. So, total angle made by this P dash will become how much? Pi plus theta with the initial axis, with the respect of initial axis. Are you understanding the figure? Yes. Now, we have to show that rho 1 square plus rho 2 square is equals to 16a square by 9. So, to show, I will consider Let POP dash be the polar chord of the cardioid. R is equals to A into 1 plus cos theta. Let rho 1 and rho 2 be the radii of curvatures at the point P and P dash, corresponding to the vectorial angles theta and pi plus theta respectively. So as we have already required with the radius, right? Radius of curvature for this cardioid. Polar curve it is, means we have to find for rho in the polar form, means I want R1 and R2. So already in the sub question 1 we have find for rho. What is rho we have got? Here we had got rho as 2 by R, okay, 2 by 3 into R sec theta by 2. I'll consider this expression to prove, okay. I'll not consider the final rho, okay. We cannot say rho 1 square is equals to 8A by R 9R. No, this is not the way, okay, to prove. So I'll consider equation where we have not eliminated theta. So I'll consider that as rho is equals to 2R upon 3 sec theta by 2. Now if I take rho 1, okay, be the radius of curvature at the point P making an angle of theta, then this rho will become now rho 1. This theta will become theta only because angle suspended is how much? Theta there, okay. So simplifying, I want rho 1 square, so squaring on both sides. So this becomes 4R square upon 9 sec square theta by 2. Now I'll consider the given curve, okay. What we are having? R is equals to A into 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 2 cos square theta by 2. This will become 2A square. Now if you take square, because I will try to eliminate this R square, because I don't want in my answer R term. So I will try to eliminate this R square by squaring on both sides. So R square is equals to 4A square cos raised to 4 theta by 2. I will substitute in this R square. This is sec square theta by 2 as it is. 4 4s are 16, A square upon 9. Sec square theta by 2, I will write it as 1 upon cos square theta by 2. So 2 of the cos squares will get cancelled. Once they get cancelled, what is remaining? We are remaining with 16A square upon 9. 16A square upon 9 into cos square theta by 2. I'll mark this as equation number 5. Similarly, I'll go for rho 2. Now just replace R1 rho 1 by rho 2 and theta by pi plus theta by 2. Why? Because it is P dash point where it is making an angle pi plus theta. Okay. So this becomes rho 2 square is equals to 16 upon 9. Okay. A square cos square. Theta means pi plus theta upon 2. What is cos of pi by 2 plus, that is pi plus theta upon 2 can be written as cos of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. This is of course square it is. I will first solve for this. Cos of 90 plus theta by 2 it is. 1 into 90 plus theta by 2. 1 is odd number, so cos will change to sin theta by 2. This 1 into 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant, so their cos is negative, so this is minus. I want cos square pi by 2 plus theta by 2, so I will square on both sides. So this becomes cos square pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Minus this square it is plus sin square theta by 2. Hence, cos square pi by 2 plus theta by 2 will be substituted as sin square theta by 2. And this term will remain as it is. I will mark it as equation number 6. I want rho 1 square plus rho 2 square, so I will add 5 and 6. So rho 1 square plus rho 2 square is equals to 16A square by 9 cos square theta by 2 plus 16 by 9 A square sin square theta by 2. Taking 16A square by 9 common, cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 is 1. So finally we have proved for the solution of the B question. Thank you.